Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. We have entered in our 7th week of e-learning. I hope you all are understanding and having a good time. So let's start our second lesson of week 6. Class 6, subject mathematics, basic geometry is the topic, week 6 in lesson 2. Learning objectives. In this presentation, students, we will learn about angles at a point, vertically opposite angles. Geometry. As we have discussed earlier, geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things. Flat shapes like squares, circles, and triangles are a part of the flat geometry and are called 2D shapes. These shapes have only two dimensions, the length and the width. Types of angles. The different types of angles are right angle, which is of 90 degree, acute angle less than 90 degree, obtuse angle greater than 90 but less than 180. Complementary are two angles whose sum is 90 and supplementary are two angles whose sum is 180. Angles on a point. The sum of angles on a point or inside a circle is always 360. For example, 87, 53, 81, 40, they are equals to 360. Now here is an example. The four angles shown all have A as their vertex. They are called angles at a point. The angles can be changed by dragging the points B, C or D. Angles at a point always sums to 360. Now you can see that there are four angles 55, 65, 105 and 135. Now here is an example. Now you can see in this figure we are having four angles 25, 105 and 90 and one angle is unknown. Let's say we call it A. So if you want to find the value of it, it's very simple. If you add up all these four angles, the answer will always be equals to 360. So by doing this, we can find the value of A. 25, 105 and 90, when we take this to the other side, they will subtract from 360 and the answer is 140. Vertical opposite angles. Vertical angles are pair of opposite angles made by intersecting lines. But when two lines intersect each other, they made two pairs of vertical angles. Just like in this figure, you can see x and x, y and y. Both these angles are vertical opposite and their values are same. Now here is another example. Now in this figure you can see 81 and 56 are two angles. Now if you want to find AOD, you just have to add 56 and 81 because they are vertical opposite angles. Similarly, if you want to find AOC, just subtract 137 from 180. So that's how you can find AOD and AOC. Now this is your home assignment, question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. We've already done these questions in our Zoom lecture. In this presentation, we learnt about angles at a point and vertically opposite angles. This is recap. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video lecture.